Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in SketchUp 2023. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about the new tool which has been introduced in SketchUp 2023, and that is flip tool. So if you look at your ribbon bar here, you can see this is the symbol of flip tool, and if you look at the definition of flip tool, can invert, reorient or mirror a selection. So I am going to flip this object here. So I am going to first select this flip tool, and as soon as if you select this tool, you can see here the information at the left bottom. Here you can see click something you want to flip. Control is equal to toggle flip or copy. You can toggle flip or copy using control. So I am going to select this one, and you can see there are three planes, X, Y and Z. So I am going to use 3. So first I will drag to this green plane here and Y. So I'm going to first move this, drag this to this direction, and I will press control. You can see this plus sign here, and I am flip to any distance. You can see the distance information here. So I'm going to flip here, and I will leave the left mouse here, and you can see this has been flipped. So and copy also. So I am going to press Ctrl Z, and now I will use this red one. Again I will press control here, and you can see this plus sign, and you can flip in this direction. So again I am going to press Ctrl Z, and now I will go upwards, and now I will press control. You can see this plus sign, and you can move to any direction here. So I am going to use this in the Z direction. So you can see this is the use of flip tool. So this was the tutorial for the tutorial session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in SketchUp. Bye bye.